Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your profile picture on Zoom. So what you're going to do is open your Chrome browser or any browser. After opening, click on right here Zoom, login. You have to log in Zoom from website, not application. Now go to sign in. Now log into your Zoom account with ID and password. Sorry, ignore this. Okay, after giving your right ID and password, click on sign in. After sign in, you'll find here your profile icon on top right corner. Click on this and go to your name. Then you'll find here pencil icon. Click on this and you can change your profile picture like here. Click on change and you have to choose your picture from your computer. Then just click on save. Okay, if you click on save, your profile picture will be changed. So guys, this is how you can change your profile picture on Zoom. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.